Hello, welcome to Little Smiles International School Basic 3 online tutorials. Today's tutorials is on science, and it is taken from strand 5, which is humans and the environment. Humans and the environment. And it is taken from substrand 1, that is personal hygiene and sanitation. Personal hygiene and sanitation. And it's also taken from indicator 1, which states that ways of keeping the environment clean. Ways of keeping the environment clean. And before we start, let's ask ourselves, what is sanitation? What is sanitation? Sanitation is keeping the surroundings clean. Sanitation is keeping the surroundings clean or keeping the environment clean. And what is an environment? An environment is all that we see around us. All that we see around us. And before we move on, let's look at some ways of keeping the compound clean. The compound can be kept clean by sweeping, weeding, scrubbing and mopping, dusting, etc. Now, before you do all these activities, you need some items to help you clean up the environment. And let's look at some of the items that can help us to clean our environment. We have dustpan, brooms, dustbins, rake, shovel, face masks, and a lot of them, as you can mention. Now, why should we clean our environment? We need to clean our environment to prevent us from germs and diseases. So if we fail to clean our environment, let's look at some of the things that can happen to us. 1. We clean choke gutters to avoid breeding of mosquitoes. And you know, when mosquitoes are breeded in choke gutters, we can end up getting malaria. We need to sweep the compound to remove dirty things that bring germs and diseases to us. When we look around our compounds, there are a whole lot of dirty things that bring us diseases, and we need to clean all of them by sweeping, using brooms, and a whole lot of items. 3. We need to wear face masks to shake off dust in bed sheets, rugs, and cushions to avoid cold or catarrh. If you don't dust your bed sheets, your cushions in your living rooms, you can end up getting catarrh or colds. We also need to mop our floors because bacteria and germs settle on the floors. So if we don't mop our floors, we'll end up getting diseases. So from today's tutorials, we now know how to clean our environment using different items. After this tutorial, we are going to upload this question online for you. Read the passage and use the passage to answer the questions that follows. After answering the questions, put them in your clear bags and keep them. When school reopens, submit them to your teachers for marking. This is the end of today's tutorial, and we'll meet again in 4 days' time. Bye-bye.